Hello, everyone. I just came from the mailbox and I received a package. I ordered I think this is a Nolita. I believe this is a Nolita that I ordered from eBay. And it is a pre-loved, pre-owned item. And whenever I get these, I have no idea what they are going to look like or what shape they're going to be in. So I always try to put some gloves on. So if you want to see what's in it, hang tight, take a seat, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Before we get started with opening this package, thank you. Thank you, subscribers, for returning, and thank you, those who are new, for hanging out with me today. This is going to be a pretty quick one because I just got this and I just have one package to open. So it should be quick. So, a history around the gloves. I am a pre owned luxury bag reseller. And I have had experiences where I've ordered a product and when I received the order, it was not in great shape. So I just try to wear gloves when I know that I ordered something and the seller says that it is not new, it's used, and I have no idea what it looks like. So I have the gloves here. We have the package, and this is from actually eBay. And this is a Nolita. When I looked at it, I really like the design of the Nolita. So I hope what I saw online is what we have here. So here we are. Okay. It's wrapped really nicely. Has a nice note, a thank you note. All right. And it is, let's see, it's like a cellophane wrap here. And I ordered some bangles from eBay a couple of weeks ago, and friends, they were really nice, but I had to really clean them off because it had a strong smoke aroma to it. So once I cleaned them, they were fine, but this is what I'm saying. Pictures, you can't smell anything through pictures, and you really don't know what you're getting. And this one, look how this is wrapped. Wait till you see it, though. I hope it's like the pictures, but so far, it's a lot of layers. It's a lot of layers on here. We're almost getting to it. We're getting to it. And I think she really cares, she or he, because they asked also for me to add a review. So I'm pretty confident that this one is going to be fine. I'm still going to take it through my whole cleaning process. That'll probably be a different video, but I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I should have counted how many times this is wrapped around. She wanted to make sure. All right. There is like a storage smell to it, but not bad. It has okay, look at this. Alrighty. So it has the hang tag here, has the Coach labeling here. Let's see. From what I see, I'm just examining all around here. The print is what really drew me to this bag. Zipper, nice. Let's see the inside. It doesn't have she doesn't have any of the original cards or anything in there, but that is the Coach patch there. And let's see, there's the tag. See if I can show that tag. Yeah, let's see the tag there. As far as shape is concerned, it looks like it is in pretty good shape. Pretty good shape. So, this is cute. Now look at the pattern. I hope I think it looks better from there. You can see the full effect. And I'm gonna, with all of this, the wrapping that she put in here, I'm gonna put it in the inside to give it a little shape for a minute so so it shows a little better. Let's see. I'm gonna stuff all of that in there. She had, and there we go. All right, so look at here. There she is. Nice, nice, nice. I think I got this for a pretty good deal. I think it was maybe I'll put it in. I'll put it in here once I look up the price on what I paid for this. It's in my book, listed in my book. All right, so this is a yes. I'll keep it. It will still go through my cleaning process, and I will clean it up, and she will go into rotation. So this is a yes. We're keeping her. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.